How to trim a video in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab at the bottom and select the video you want to trim from your media library. Tap on the Edit button to open the editing tools. Then look for the trim icon and tap on it. Use the sliders on the timeline to select the start and end points of your video. Adjust the sliders carefully to keep the part of your video you want and remove unwanted sections. Once you are satisfied with the trimmed section, tap Save to apply the changes. You can now save the trimmed video to your device or share it directly from the app. Now you know how to trim a video in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.